Vowels and consonants. What do you see? You see letters. This is the alphabet. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. Why are some letters a different color? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowels. The other letters, B, C, D, F, L, K, all the rest, are consonants. Consonants. Vowels have two sounds. Short sound. This is short A, apple, ah. Short A, apple, ah. But sometimes A sounds like A. When there is an A, a consonant, and an E, the E is silent. You can't hear it. When does A say A? When there is A, one consonant, and a silent E. A, consonant, E, says ape, ape. A, consonant T, E, eight, eight. A, consonant E, name, name. A. What do you see? She has a name tag. Name. This is her name. Her name is Lisa. What do you see? Two girls, maybe sisters. They look the same. Same. What do you see? This is a lake. Lake. Ah, what do you see here? A boy and some cookies. He is going to take. He is going to take a cookie. Take. Ah, what do you see here? Children, a boy and a girl. They are watching the cookies bake. Bake. Here is a woman Does she look happy? Does she look worried? She sees her watch. I think she is late. Late. This is a plate. Plate. Plane. Plane. Here's our words. Name. Consonant A, consonant, silent E. Same. Lake. Take. Bake. Late. Plate. Plane. Write the words, copy the words, and practice.